Okay, so hopefully you were able to get through this exercise, but if not, don't worry, we'll work through it right now. So to create an about page, the first thing we're going to do is create a function. I'll call this about. You could have called it whatever you'd like. It takes the request as the first argument. And then again, we can return something. So we can return another HTTP response, and we could say anything. We'll just say about me. So we have the view set up. Now we need to tell Django when to fire this view, this function. So we go back into our urls.py. Under our URLs pattern, and we can add another path. So we can do Shift Alt down arrow to duplicate the path if you're on Windows, and I think it's Options Alt down arrow on a Mac. And for this path, you could have put anything you'd like. I'll put about slash. And with Django, as you can see with the admin, you always want to put the trailing slash so that if a user goes to mysite.com/about or mysite.com/about/, they both go to the same page. And by default, it's the page with the slash. So just always put the trailing slash. But now we don't want to run the index function. We want to run the about function. So I can just select that and it'll import it up here. And now we can run the server and try it out. So Python manage.py run server. And if we bring back up our site, you can see on our home route, we get hello world still. And if we go to about or go to whatever page you specified, we get about me. Amazing. So now we know about URLs and views, but now let's dive into dynamic routes and dynamic views and actually passing in data into the URL. So that's what we're going to cover in the next video.